Hey guys, Hector here, HP Bushcraft. Just wanted to do this video for you guys to show you the new pine fire stuff that I did a video on the other day. Just wanted to test some of this stuff out. Of course, we'll start off with the awesome fatwood. Putting to use the Mora Bushcraft Black today. Just look how awesome and saturated this stuff is. Did some shavings, now we'll put some scrapings on there. Should have no problem starting this. And let's test out the no brand name Light My Fire. There we go. Look at this stuff. Burns hot. Ton of black smoke. And it has no problem lighting. There's a decent wind here. It's all out. Now let's get into the goodie box. It's got the aluminum foil here, so I can lay down as a base if I'm in a wet condition or something. Look at this big chunk. These are like the big bombs we had. They're square now. And that lasted, what was it, like 20 minutes? Kind of running out of light today, so what we'll do is we're gonna just light some of this let me see what it's called here. This kit is called the BRIMSTONE. And you know what? I'll put all the I'll put what it is, what's in it, everything in the description. Yeah, we're just gonna get a little bit of this here, nice and fluffy. There we go. That's all it took. Just this little bit is probably actually going to burn for a while. Then of course he's got some good old birch bark on the bottom there. Everybody knows how birch bark works. I want to say this is CSX or not sure, but I'll put it in the description box. Burns nice and hot. Always black smoke. Pretty resistant to the wind. As you can see, the wind's picking up right now. And these are just matches, but I guess I'll open them up and show you guys. Look at that, isn't it cool? It says it has the Pine Fire emblem on there, even on the matches. Michael and over there at Pine Fire pays attention to detail. And as you can see, look, it's still burning. It was just a small piece that I put on there compared to from everything, all the big piece that I have in here. Alright, that's all I got for you now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.